Go in like that. Yeah? Yes, just like that. Then you slide into the little, go into a little notch. The bolt across right there. Been a while, over a year since I had it. There it is. Holy, had it backwards. Okay, it's like something had to make sense here. A little pivot. Okay. Going up, Mary. Down. Here, baby. That's it. I gotta get a bungee cord for that. Well, that's what I'm saying. That's all of them a bit dinky there. Yeah. But once it's still hold up tight, it's fine. Yeah. When he's flopping around. Exactly. And that's the string he had on, so that's obviously the height he had the boom. Yeah. No, that's good. That's good. Now that little flag has something to do with it. Yeah. Watch that. I guess we should have tied that to the front. I didn't do that. It's all good. Here, baby. Thank you very much. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll be right back.
Okay. I'll babysit.
All right. We're going today. Yeah. Yeah, well, it's got a little bit of plastic. Yeah, so it's not scraping against wood. You never want that. You dragging your right in the rock there. How far up there?
You can go up there a ways.
I haven't gone up there yet.
The boat landing up there as well. It's Eel River.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
There's a boat landing up there?
Yep.
Huh. Now, whether you get under the bridge?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Up in there. You gotta watch for it. The wind's coming now.
Yeah, I know.
And it's gonna rain soon.
I know. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Oh, this is a sailboat. I'm nervous and excited all at the same time.